The purpose of this video is to show you how to embed items from UD Libsearch directly into your Schoology courses. So you'll notice that over on the left side we have UD Libsearch here. You can click this and UD Libsearch tracks whether you are logged on to a state network based on your IP address, so then you don't have to enter in a username or password. So since I'm in network now, no username and password. If you want kids to access this at home, you will need to reach out to one of the tech coaches to find that information. Your library media specialist may also have the username and passwords, as well as your literacy coaches. So let's say I wanted to put something from Pebble Go into my course. I've got, all these items here that I can then see, but how do I get it into one of my courses that are up here for kids to interact? Because I don't want them to have to navigate through each thing every single time. So I'm going to go to one of my test courses and I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you would like to add a specific thing from UD Libsearch, I'm going to have you open a new tab and search for UD Libsearch. This is going to take you directly to UD Libsearch, and then we'll take the link from here and put it into our Schoology courses. So let's say I've got animals in the fall and I want to use this article. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to go back to my test course, and the first way I'm going to show you is by adding a direct link. So I'm going to hit Add File, Link, or External Tool. I'm going to hit Add Link. And then I am going to paste the link that I just copied and put that right in here. I want to keep this newspaper, this display in Schoology turned on, because once I hit add, you'll see what that does. It will allow the students, once they click this, they're not actually leaving Schoology. It's going to show them the item right then and right there. So that's a definite benefit. They can always click this link right up here and go out. If you turn off that newspaper, it looks like a little piece of paper, newspaper. If you unclick that, it will do an external link like this where it will direct the students directly to this. So now, what if you want to get this in a discussion board, an assignment, a test, or a quiz? You can certainly do that by embedding. So I'm going to go ahead and I am going to add a page. The steps I'm going to show you are going to work on a page, a discussion, a test, a quiz, or an assignment, anywhere that you see that rich text editor. So I'm going to call this Animal Classifications, and I'm going to need to do some embedding. So the trick is, because there's no embed code from Pebble Go, what you're going to do is open a new tab and you're going to search for iframe generator. It's usually the first one that comes up. It's a free online iframe code maker tool. So I click this and you'll notice it's got some presets. What I would want to do is I want to take this link that I want the kids to go to. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put it in right here where it says iframe URL. And you can preview what it'll look like, see how it's kind of cut off. So I can change these numbers. So let's just change that to 800 by 600 and let me hit preview. So you can see that one's a little bit better. So now I'm going to hit generate. Gives me the code. I am going to copy this code. I'm going to take it back and I'm going to embed it just like I would if it was a YouTube video or something else. So I did insert content, I did from the web, and now I'm going to hit media and I'm going to paste that embed code and I hit insert. So then when I do that, you just want to check the, it went down to the bottom. You just want to check to see how it looks for the kids. And you can see, there it is. Now it's embedded right in Schoology. And you can do this through any of the items that are on there. One thing that I do notice here is that it looks like it's kind of cutting off the bottom because it's got this last line. So you want to test it, and I want to make it a little bit higher because I don't want that to be cut off for the kids, because you'll notice that I can't scroll within this window of what's embedded. So let me just close let me preview. And there you can see, the whole thing. This one's kind of cut off. So let's try and change this one to 700 and change this to 1050. Let's see. Okay, looks pretty good. I think if I go a little bit further, I'll be able to see everything on the bottom. So let me try and just make it 1100. And this will be just, trial and error to see what works best. It needs to be a little bit bigger than that. So let's do 1300. It's still kind of cutting that off. Let me adjust that to 800. There we go. And now I have the ability to scroll. So then I'm going to hit generate, copy, and let me just edit this page to make sure that it all fits. So I'm just going to delete the one that I had done before. Insert content, image media, from the web, media, paste, insert media, save changes. And then you can see, and now you can scroll within that so you can see the whole thing. So that's how you embed from an item like Pebble Go that's on UD Libsearch.